Don't look at me like that. These guys literally scared the shit out of me. What do you expect? Can I have some privacy?
You might run.
Okay. But if you don't take off these cuffs, you're the one that's gonna have to do the paperwork.
Hey, Bob, Jeff,
Yes, ma'am.
I have a job for you.
I was about to go back in there. I'm like, all y'all gave me was fries and a fucking my burger. But your burger was in that little bag. So I thought the little bag was full of this stuff.
Get in.
What the hell is this?
The charter, Winston. Get in.
Okay. Just to say, chartered a private plane, I'm thinking Gulfstream, Learjet, Jay-Z level shit. Oh, we'd be popping bottles full of bubbly, not fucking Dramamine.
That's a jet. I never said jet. I said we got a private plane, and that's what this is.
No, this isn't a plane. This is a kite with seatbelts. Honestly, I'd rather be on Spirit Airlines.
Well, Winston, what do you want me to say? Next time, hide out in Miami, maybe you get a jet. If you go full Unabomber on me, drag me all the way out to Snowblow, Alaska, our options get a little more limited. Doubt you can even land a jet out here.
Yeah, well, it's a little hard to go off the grid in Miami.
You have a lot of good that, did you? You guys go ahead, I'll be there in a second. Van, it's Madeline. I'm starting to get worried. Don't be. We're just about to go. Is he cooperating? If I say no, can I tase him? Sure.
I can hear you.
3 days in motel sucks. Only shut up once.
Oh, come on, you loved every minute of it.
Don't tell me you're just being behind your desk. No. Seriously, Caroline. Thank you for putting me in the field again. I know you have pushback.
Don't thank me yet. Judge Martin recused himself. I'll give you 3 guesses and go again.
Stewardess, is there a meal on this flight, or is it like just...
Shut up, Winston.
Yeah, okay, just...
Hey, you there?
Yeah, replaced with who?
Judge Harness himself.
Falco.
Yeah, I know. And should have warned me without letting us push the trial date again. Look, it's gonna be fine. There's a team standing by to meet you in Anchorage.
Okay. What are we worried about? We should be worried about 9 minutes or so.
Good. We're ready. The lawyers are trying to run out the clock on us. We're send them there. Don't make me by morning, okay? Just come on.
Yeah.
Alright, call me soon. I'll be okay,
See what I've done.
Empty hairs? Daryl Blue. Hope you like flying. You can pay for it.
I'm only gonna let my passing boys take me.
For your own safety.
That's good. What you packing? Block or train a bit of a ride? Yes, ma'am.
You sure you don't want to ride it out there?
Yeah, it's just tough with all the sexual tension.
Well, I never meant to. Shouldn't somebody be watching?
Well, he's restraining Mr. Brew. He's not going anywhere. Trust me.
Okay, hey, you're the boss. I never flew a fugitive before.
Witness.
What?
Shut up, Winston.
I'm a cooperating government witness, not a fugitive.
Winston.
No, I'm just saying, technically, we're all on the same side.
Not another word.
All right, well, we're looking at moderate clouds and light wind.
And I'd appreciate it if you didn't address the prisoner.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I never flew U.S. Marshal before neither. I did fly Marshal Falk once though. That was real cool.
Sector Center, November 208 uniform. Ready for departure on Crooked Creek, runway 34. Roger that. November 208 uniform. Clear for takeoff, runway 34. Ready to go?
We.
She by herself?
Mark Wahlberg always look cool.
Cool, you said?
Every time he do something, wherever he do it, he look cool doing it. Like he know this
Like
shit.
it's meant for.
Yeah.
He playing his role. Ooh, that's so bomb.
It's always only on the little ones though. Never on the big one.
Hello?
I gotta open a snack bar.
Hello? Hello? Can you guys even hear me? What if I need to take a piss?
You a smoker?
No, I quit.
I'll take one.
Yeah, ain't the same, huh?
Your neck okay? You got a scratch there.
Maintenance. Occupational hazard.
I know.
Nope.
Oh, come on.
Why is he in chains?
Come on.
He said he was a witness. Why is he all chained up?
Because he's a flight risk.
Well, I thought you said you two were on the same side.
He's a liar.
What did he do? Okay, forget I asked. You gotta understand my usual halls.
He must be part of
drunk
that.
and fishing party are a bunch of suits trying to experience true nature.
Well, golly gee, I'm just a local yokel hollet. I've sure never seen a girl as purty as you from the big city.
You been flying long?
Yeah, my dad is a crop duster in Texas. I got deep blood.
Well, thank you. I'm very uptight and controlling. I'd love to be in a relationship with you so I could completely control. That would work just fine for me. If we were cousins, we'd already be married.
I came up here just something short of maybe 15 years ago. Never left. I'm rambling, sorry. My ex always said I talk too much. I'm sorry. Beautiful, ain't it?
That it is.
Yeah, you get used to it. Oh, hell.
Everything okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Nothing to worry about. This piece of crap keeps shorting out on me.
There's no GPS?
It's no big deal, really. I mean, happens twice a week. No, seriously, I'm out flying this route all the time. 75 minutes from now, we'll be on the ground, and you and your friend are a witness. You're on your way to Seattle, I promise.
You don't think we should turn back?
No, heck no. I mean, it's your call. I mean, I get paid either way. There's some weather moving in from the north. We head back now. It's probably gonna ground us for a few hours.
75 minutes.
I know the way I'm gonna get you there.
I do know that. I know Moretti has no leverage over you if she's dead, right?
Yeah,
So I know she's still alive.